Hello, today I'm going to show you how to add a product in Magento. So first thing you do is you log into your Magento admin uh, side. So it's usually the domain name /admin. Okay. So whatever your domain is /admin. And it redirects you to the index /admin page. That's just what Magento likes to call it. You put in your username and you put in your password, and then you hit login. Now, when you get to the central dashboard, you're going to see these incoming message notices. By the way, there's a way to shut those off in notifications, but that should be another tutorial. So when you get to your Magento dashboard to add a product, you want to go to Catalog and then Manage Products right here. And then you want to add a product. Okay. And that's right here. Now, this is a simple product. It doesn't have sizes. Usually we use sizes if we're selling like t-shirts or clothing because it comes in many different sizes. So you want to, if you're just adding a simple product, meaning it's just one size or it's just one simple product, you make sure the attribute set is set at default and then simple product, and you hit continue. And so now the product we're adding is a stocking squeaky toy for Christmas. Okay, this is just a demo, so we want to just copy our title, whatever the title of the product is. You want to put right here. Okay. Description, there's no real description for this item, but if you had a description, you would put it right here. And then a short description, like attributes of the product, like, um, if you have like bullets you want to mention about the product, you enter here, your size charts going here, things like that. Your SKU, so this SKU right here is unique to this item. Whatever your SKU is, just put it in here. So SKU STCKING red. Okay. Whatever your weight is. If you want in Magento, you can set the product as new from, let's say, the date of the product, and then you can have it unfeatured after X amount of days. So I would always do 2 weeks to a month because it shows up on the front end, and I'll show you what I mean by that as a featured product or a new product. You want to make sure you enable the product. URL key, the system already generates, so you can leave that blank. If your visibility, you want to make sure that people are able to look for the catalog and be able to search for it online. So catalog means back end, search means on the front end. Okay, so you want to make sure that this is available. Visibility is catalog and search. Country of manufacture, this is actually made in China. If you know what your country of manufacture is, you can put it. It's not a requirement. Featured product, it's completely up to you. If you go to the front page of this particular site, their featured product, depending on the template you're using for your front page, their featured products go here. Okay, so if you want, you can make it a featured product, but it's not Christmas yet, so we're going to put no. Okay, prices. This item is $6. If you have a special sale price, you put it in here. So if the MSRP is $6 and you want to make it, let's say, $4.99, that's when you will put something like that. Okay. Tax class, you can put none, but that's important. Okay, because if you don't put a tax class in here, it won't let you move on to the next step. So make sure if you're selling, if it's a taxable good, put it. Okay, but if it's none, most of the internet, there's no taxes on the internet, so you just hit none, and your meta description. This is the SEO stuff. But for now, what you want to do is for your meta title, you want to put squeaky toy 4-inch stocking for your meta title. Same thing for your meta keywords. Same thing for your meta description. This is just so when Google crawls your site, it's categorized and it's organized in a way where their robot.txt file, the little file that the bot that actually crawls the site is able to get this information categorize it and bring up a relevant search result. If somebody types in this type of keyword here, squeaky toy 4-inch, so just it's good for search engine optimization, and it's already built into your Magento catalog here, your Magento framework. Okay, so images. Okay, now you want to browse the file. You want to upload the product image. So click on Browse File. Go to your desktop. I usually put my images on the desktop. If you have them on a folder, great. Doesn't matter. Click on this. Click Open. You're not done yet because you have to upload the file. Okay. When you upload the file, you want to take your mouse and hover over it. And then take the base image, move this radio button down, base image, small image, and thumbnail. Make sure all those three are selected. Make sure that's one. If you want to label the image, you can. This is just for your media library in Magento. But if you don't, it's okay. It'll name it anyways. Okay. Recurring profile, you can skip. Okay. You don't have to do anything there. If you're using a theme, this is where you would select whatever your theme is. Okay. So you have to find out what your theme is. So in this case, this template is mag 090168 because this custom design is going to make the style elements of the theme present on the product display page. So this is important. You must find out whatever your custom design is, or if it's not, you can just use default. Okay, and it'll take you to the default Magento template. Okay, gift options, you don't have to do anything unless you have a gift message. Inventory, this is important as well. You want to make sure you put in what your specific quantity is. So you come down here and you see quantity. It's telling you you have to fill in that field as a condition to move on. So you want to hit 1,000 because that's how much is actually the quantity for this particular product. You want to scroll down, and this is also important. You want to make sure that you select in stock. Okay, so quantity and then stock availability. Okay, and then you want to go here. Now we already created a category for this product, and it's a toy. Okay, but here's another important thing. Magento, you have the default category. Okay, so within the default category, you want to make sure, because this category root is in the default category. That's how it's supposed to be in Magento. It's just a directory thing. So you want to make sure you're selecting default category and then whatever your item is, wherever it should be categorized. So in this case, this is a toy. It's for a dog. And it is a squeaky toy. So let's see. This is also a plush. We identify on the site as a plush toy. So we can also select this as a plush toy. Okay? It's not an interactive toy or anything like that. Okay, so you're done there. Related products. If you're trying to upsell, do upsells, which is important because you always want people to order more than one thing on your site. So, put more money in your pocket. You're moving more items. So this is a plush toy. So I'm going to make sure this related product is this little button here is selected to any. So it'll search for all plush toys. Remember, let's say you're selling liquor and you want to do, let's say, and you're adding whiskey, like a bottle of whiskey. It would make more sense if your related products was other bottles of whiskey. So you would just type in whatever that whiskey, or even just the name whiskey, because you put any, it'll pull up all the relevant terms specific to that query. Or we could just do toys. So this is all the Halloween stuff. We'll just do toys. So we'll do this. We'll do this. You want to try to have at least 3, you know? And we'll do this. And we'll do this. Okay? So there we have the 3 or 4. Okay? Upsells. Okay? Same thing. So with this template specifically, the related products come on the right-hand side. The upsells come on the bottom of the page. So we'll do toys again. And we'll do toys tiki. This, 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 and this. Okay? And then cross-sells at checkout. Let's say they have an item in their cart, and at checkout, when they're on the checkout page, the success page, Magento likes to call it, you want to also do cross sells. So in case they forget, you want to give them an opportunity to sell. So we'll do this, 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 and we'll do this. Custom options you don't need to do anything with, because this is a simple product. Once you're done, you want to go back to general and you want to hit the save button. Okay, so it's telling you something's missing right here. So go here. You need a short description. So just copy. In this case, your short description can be anything. Usually it's reserved for like bullets about the product. Okay, so you hit the save button. And now you go check your work. Let this save. Okay, now you go check your work. So you go back to your site, your URL, type in your URL, and then type in, let's say, squeaky. Put in the title. Okay, so here it is. Okay, click on it. Now it's showing up because remember we selected it to be visible in the catalog. And here is the item. And as you can see, we have the related products here, and then also the upsells here. Okay, so another thing too, once you're done with that, let's just show you what cross-selling means. So you add this to the cart, right? And you're at the checkout page, and also with the cross-sells, you'll see this, because we told the system to do it. So it just gives people more opportunities to buy more stuff. So you're cross-selling and you're upselling. Okay. Presently, with this site in particular, they're offering a coupon code. So let's see what we get here. So it took off a little money there. But as you can see, this is all set now. Thank you very much. And follow at GoPryWeb on Twitter. Thank you.